Hello, I'm Amelia, and today I'm going to show you how to perform an inventory quickly and easily. To do this, we'll go to Settings, then Import/Export. Next, we'll select Export File and choose Products under Type of Information. In available fields, we'll select Reference, Name, and Real Stock. Then we'll export a file that will show the stock currently recorded in STEL Order. That file looks like this. Now what we need to do is work on it and enter the actual stock we have in our warehouses. Once it's updated, we'll save it and go back to STEL Order. Let's recap. Settings, Import/Export. To update the stock, we'll go to the Update from File tab. Click there, and under Type of Information, select Products. Next, we'll upload the file we just modified. And finally, we'll map the columns in our Excel file. We need to select Name, Reference, and On-Hand Inventory. Lastly, click Update, and your stock will be fully updated. I hope this was helpful. Bye.